So whenever we buy any stock, that time we get confusion when to buy or when to sell. This question always arises because sometimes what happens after we bought the share, drastically it decreases. Similarly, when we sold the share value immediately increases. These two incidents makes us to feel guilty about us. So it is necessary to know when to sell, when to buy the shares. To understand this one, we have to do analysis. So there are two types of analysis. One is fundamental analysis, another is technical analysis. In this technical analysis, we look only graph of the share. Based on this, we decide when to sell, when to buy. So there are indicators are there. These indicators indicates when to buy, when to sell. Such an indicator in this video we are discussing, that is called moving average. So that is called moving average. So here we'll be discussing based on a moving average how to buy the share. Now what we need to do initially, first we have to open the graph of which share we want to buy. After right now I have my Steel Authority of India Limited share graph. Now look at the bottom here. What we have the time frame of the graph. If you are trading for 1 day, go for 1 day graph. Or if you are going for short term or medium term, go for 1 month or 5 day graph, 3 months graph, 6 month graph. If you are long term investor, go for a year graph like this. Okay. Then again, here also one more setting we need to do. Again, here if you go here, what happens? If you go and click here, we get 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minutes like this, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 day. It is based on purely what type of trade you are going. Short term trade, long term trade, medium term trade. So of course, long term investors, we need to go for 1 day. So I'm selecting 1 day. If you are short term trade or intraday, go for 15 minutes, 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Now I'm going for 1 day. After 1 day, setting of these two, we get the graph according to us. Right now, which is already 1 day and 1 year graph, which is visible to us. Okay, then here, display pattern candlestick, Japanese candlesticks we need to use. There are different types of charts are there. Right now, I have selected a candlestick pattern of Japanese candle. Japanese candle we are using. Then after that, what we need to go? We need to go for the studies graph. Of course, whatever the this one you use, Zerodha, Upstock, whatever the brokerage you use, whichever the country brokerage you use, it is available. Moving average is available. So go to studies, search moving average, Zerodha, Grow, 5 Paisa, or any brokerage you go, the graph is available, moving average is available. Click the moving average. When you click the moving average, we get this type of chart here. Okay. In this, what we need to do, we need to edit some data. Okay. Period, we need to select 5. 5 indicates 1 week. 1 week market is available for 5 days. So field, we need to choose open. And type, we need to choose exponential. There are different types of moving averages are there. We are selecting the exponential moving average. So right now I selected exponential. Color for 5 days, I have selected red. So as it is, I am keeping. Then click the done. Then again go to the studies, click the moving average, select the period 13 days. This 13 indicates that half of the month, half month period. Okay. Then field open, moving average, exponential, and color indication I'm using for the sky blue color. Okay. Here what is happening? Color indication is very important. Don't use same color for 5 days, 13 days. So color usage for different moving average graph should be more. That is based on 1% to 1% we can use. Right now for 13 days I have selected sky blue. Again click done. Once again you go click the moving average, change the period 26 days. 26 days indicates the 1 month. Field open, type exponential. For 26 days I am using the black color. Okay, done. After this, now you can look at the graph. We have 3 graphs: red color, sky blue color, and black color. When to sell a graph? How to identify whether market falls or goes up? Okay, right now, first falling, I'm going to for when the market fall, how to identify the market fall. Suppose if we have a share, we need to understand the market is going to fall. Based on that, we need to sell them. For example, here, when to sell. So first we'll go when to sell, then when to buy, we'll decide. Look at here. What is happening here? What is happening here? There are three lines are there. Black color line is also black color line is also available. Once again, black color line is also available here. You can look here. Black color line is also available, red color line is also available, and sky blue color is also available. One you need to notice here, red color line is crossing sky blue color line as well as black color line. This indicates sell call. We need to sell our shares. So once again, I will draw and explain. So what is happening? What happens here? Black color line is available and sky blue color line is available. Sky blue color is available as well as red color is available. What is doing? Red color line crossing sky blue color as well as black color from the top. From the top, red color is coming and crossing. You can look at the red color direction. Red color coming from top. Okay. So this is a point. This is a point we need to, whenever these two things happens, whenever these three combines, that time we need to sell our shares which are in the holding. Okay. Then when to buy? When to buy? Again, we need to use same strategy. That is, look at here. This area. This area, what is happening? Red color line crossing sky blue color line as well as black color line from the bottom. From the bottom, what is happening? Red color line crossing black color line as well as sky blue color. So I will draw it and show here. So black color line is available as well as sky blue color is also available here. Okay, sky blue is also available in this box. You can check. And red color line, what is doing? It is crossing both the lines or touching the both lines from the bottom and crossing it. Okay, so this is a point we need to buy the share. So after that, what happened? Market goes up. So you can look at here, the value of the market at this point was 70 and it has gone up to value approximately 85. Approximately we were able to get around 20% or 15 to 20% profit. So this is a strategy of moving average we can use. So when just black color line, red color line crosses black as well as sky blue from the top, sell it. Red color line crosses the black color as well as sky blue color from bottom, buy it. This is a strategy of share buying and selling.